So we are taking apart the cat tree. Because it was old and it was dirty and it was scratched apart. And yeah, that's the little I belong on here like that. So we bought new carpet there, and right now we're about to take it apart. I mean, not more like that. I will just strip this last piece, wrap it in the carpet, and then wrap that and put it on bag, and should be it. So quick fix, quick. And hello. Yep, that is it. The cats can't wait to enter it again. This Jersey.
Oh, don't scare her. Oh.
Yeah, so Nerf gun. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure yet if I can do it, but I'll try. So that's what I can do. We'll see. So progress right now is that's all clean. We have one big ass piece here, which goes around here, which fits pretty good with the color, I think. And the next one is on the floor, which is like this thing, and that will be right around here. So just theory, so I don't know if it works out.
Jersey. How do you feel about all of this? Jersey. She's clearly not happy that her bed is not made.
Yep.
She's great. Get what you pay for, huh?
Let's fill the melting chamber first.
How do you zoom?
Somewhere there's a little, the little thing that goes left and right.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, now where to start?
Oh, it's really just...
Not sure where to start though.
So tell me, how much do you love that carpet right now?
So much. That's broken.
Huh.
Cools too fast.
What?
So we are almost done. It's 9:15. This thing is covered up. You can see a little bit of seam here. Not too bad. That's the little thing for this thing. So we covered that up. Looks pretty nice, I think. Almost can't see where the seams are. Like, yeah. Hot glue is awesome. Right?
Yes.
So we don't need that anymore. Yeah. So now just screwing this one on here. And then putting this thing here in. Because we won't glue it. Because when they puke on it, then you can just exchange it. Man, that took way longer than I thought. When did we come back?
I feel like we've been doing this for a little over an hour.
Pardon me?
A little over an hour. I think, because...
Are you kidding me? When did we come back from...
Okay, 2 hours.
That wasn't 2 hours.
I was with Heidi at Starbucks at 7 when I texted you.
Yeah. We started
2.5.
like 2 hours
2.5.
before. 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
Felt like a whole day. Yeah. So we will see the end result in a minute. So right now. It is done, and number 1 already conquered the new kitty tower. This is Dirty Cat. I call her Dirty Cat because she looks dirty. Nerdy Cat! So, yeah, looks pretty good, I think. I figured that thing is not... You can just take it out and change it.